Hey everybody, I'm so grateful you pressed play on this video. I have taken a break from my daily uploads. I've been doing a lot of things behind the scenes. If you bought our over-the-shoulder training last week, thank you for joining that. That was actually a lot of fun helping people understand the power of ads. And I wanted to share this with you today because this coupon is expiring tonight at, Saturday, July 15th, 11:59 p.m. This coaching call next week is going to be boot camp style. So I want you to bring all of your troubleshooting questions that you have with ads to this call to get live coaching. And there is so much more than this. I'm including a bonus called Boost Your Book Sales for Beginners. And it gives you the rundown of the things that you can do as a beginner just to get familiar with ads. And then I'm going to throw in another bonus here on a training on getting starting with ads for $1 and how to scale that appropriately. So if you're seeing this today, there is about 6 hours left in this coupon code, and we're going to be covering the basics of troubleshooting. And I'm teaming up with Geek. If you know Kim, go over to her channel and subscribe. She does a lot of different KDP specialties, and I really love her stuff. I really love her positioning of for branding for books, and she really makes you think about being a little bit more thoughtful about your books. And so I'm teaming up with her and, of course, her beautiful audience, people like you that are here to learn. And I have a little bit of credentials with ads. Actually, today I need to update this. I crossed $110,000 in sales for books in my ads account. So this call is going to be at least 60 minutes, but if you come with questions, I'm not going to hang up on you. Like, I want you to feel coached. I want you to have clarity, and I want you to get things out of this call. So the three things that we're going to tackle is unsuccessful attempts and understanding why it was unsuccessful, understanding the ACOS and being a beginner, but also I want to help you see how you can scale with $1. That's something that if you follow Taylor Hasselton, she started her ads up again and she took it more seriously this time. So we did a training last week over the shoulder and we talked about how to slowly scale. And so it will be fun to see her implement that new knowledge. And you can get in today for $67 instead of $77 if you use the coupon code KIM10. This domain is jennyhansenlane.com/ad-bootcamp. So we want you to snag your seat so there's room for you. This allows you to have the replay. This allows you to ask private questions in the portal that I always set up. And this allows you to access at least 2 bonuses. And you have lifetime access to this. So it's a no-brainer. And it's a great way for you to get ready for Q4 is understanding ads, being in a position to do it. And we want to help you turn those $5 days into $50 days. So this is the bootcamp troubleshooting tactics for ads. This is for low to medium content publishers that want to understand ads and increase sales. And most importantly, it's live coaching. So bring your questions. I have a lot of people that repeat all these coaching calls because they're continually running ads, and you can be a beginner and you can come to this workshop and get things out of it. So thank you for being here and let me know how I can serve you guys. Ads has really been a big blessing in my life. And so I've decided to add a bonus to this Amazon Ads Sandwich Formula. It's brand new. I haven't even done, I've done the slides for the training, but I actually have not recorded it yet. So this is specifically for the people that join this first, along with anyone else that's in my ads community. So this is Wednesday, July 19th at 1 p.m. That's when the call is going down. And I want you to come. I want you to learn ads and don't miss out on this opportunity. Love you guys. Peace out.